Okay guys, here we are in Silverdale Place, down the Browns and Glassie's end, and look at the Browns place over there, that's on a bit of a lean. And the old rump place, with a huge mountain of liquefaction outside it. Gail's just going to turn around. Look at the Browns place, looks like it's been deserted, it's leaning to one side. Glassie's chimney's been taken out there. Wait till you see some of these houses. Totally understand what's going on in these eastern suburbs. So we look at these flats here that you'll remember, and look at the crack right across above the foundation there. And then you can see this one's gone in the right hand corner, and negotiating past all of this, looking forward, seeing all of that liquefaction right down the road, and then panning over to 23 Silverdale Place. Say good morning, Gail.
Good morning.
Looking up the Macmillan Drive, keep going. And then looking up our drive, seeing the huge amount of liquefaction outside.
See, it hasn't even got cracked or anything.
No.
Next doors has. Probably because it's up higher, I reckon.
And then looking forward, as we go past, yeah, let him go. Stop now because you'll need to. There's a huge digger working here, cleaning out Halley Place. And he's making a big mountain of earth at the end. So we'll go past Halley Place, and there's something quite shocking you can see after Halley Place. Keep going. Stop. And go.
Ooh, lucky I've got the four-wheel drive.
Now I want you to stop outside this place.
Yeah.
About now. I'll just show you something. Lock myself in. Wait! I'm talking to the dog. Look in there. We've actually got a car still floating, but look at the shape of that, will you? Now, what is amazing is the amount of liquefaction that he's shovelled up at the end. As we go past the Murphy place, you can see all the cracks in that.
I'm going to have to pull over because
Yeah.
it's coming back down. Oh, look in there. Oh, the front yard. It's just mud.
Wait for the digger to go, and then we'll show you the stuff at the end. We'll go round to the river. There's Toby's head.
A beautiful picture, Toby.
Look at that mound. It's as tall as a house, almost. That would be about 4 metres tall. Okay, we'll just go down to the river and we'll have a wee look at that, and then we'll finish this video.